We're in Times Square right now, Manhattan. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a tour of the city.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, man, we are doing tourist style.
Yes, we are. So this will carry us to like all the big areas, all the big sites in New York for today. So it should be very interesting.
Yeah, definitely.
We don't have Kyrie today, guys.
No, we're at the dish Kyrie.
We're in Times Square, baby.
So we're at the first stop waiting for the bus now. We'll have bite out with Tara Tara.
So we're about to go on the tour. We're gonna do uptown first, and then afterwards we do downtown. Hopefully we have enough time in the day. It's a 24-hour ticket, so we can actually leave and come back. So, okay, babe. If you do it interesting, I'm gonna carry.
Look like a real tourist in Europe. They look like America, they look like they are Europe. So we're back at Times Square. We did the uptown tour, you know. So we're gonna grab some food, and then we do the uptown one, you know.
Yeah, we do the downtown.
The downtown, right. Yes.
We need to get something to eat. So what are we gonna? Are we going? What kind of food after we?
A burger and them some there.
Like a TGI?
Yeah.
Huh?
Wait there. You see it?
It was near the subway.
It's a big where?
And Chick-fil-A was also near the subway.
You know, so I kind of lose my coordinates. The entrance to Applebee's is right up here. Yeah. Right up there.
Guys, I'm picking the store. The store. I'm picking.
Dropping water.
No, I don't.
This is that movie?
Yeah, this is it.
They didn't give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
Oh, yes, this is for you. Oh, they gave her crayons and stuff. That's so nice.
Yeah, what? What they gave her?
This is crayons.
That's like for, crayons. Oh, for the kids. Oh, children like yourself who get crayons, right? Babies. Jaden, that's the you know that you
I don't know why you're freaking out, Jaden. Kids and stuff like that.
You can't run, but Jaden them to my pitney, you know. Last one.
Warming up my little vinash.
Yeah. You're on camera. Yeah, so we just slapdash the food at Applebee's because we had to rush out to catch the last bus. 6 o'clock bus. Some friend on my face. Yeah, so we're on to what do you call it? Our downtown now,
You were going downtown.
Downtown,
Manhattan.
yeah.
So we're going to the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah, and the Empire State Building and so on.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's so beautiful, you know? Look at this.
It's getting dark. So
Look at this.
To see the lights at night.
This is so beautiful, man.
Oh my gosh, at the M&M store.
M&M store.
That's the right thing, yeah.
M&M store probably will come back and stop if you remember.
This is beautiful. Look at you. You enjoy yourself?
Me?
Yeah, you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
So now go in garden first.
Jamaica.
We in foreign?
Yeah. You look like an Egyptian, baby. You look like an Arab, baby.
Mr. We are trying to keep off the cool, the breeze. We come up here, sit down on the seat, and it's like freeze up all our way, nothing freeze up.
Empire State Building. We just completed the tour, you know?
Yo.
We're on our way back to Brooklyn now.
Yeah. And as you can see, we're now on a train again.
Yeah.
So we're getting very good at taking trains.
Yeah, man. Yeah, my old man actually.
Borough Hall. Transfer is available to 3 and R trains.
Yeah. You know, typical announcement in a subway. Yeah, so my father is actually at the house right now. You know, he's waiting for us. We kind of run late. You get me? I say so. It will be the first time Jaden I meet him, and Cass for that matter.
Yeah.
Jaden is 10 years old this year, and the first time Jaden actually I meet him.
Dad.
Yeah, you see it.
Adrian's gonna see his dad, and he hasn't seen him for quite a while.
Yeah.
And Jaden is gonna meet his granddad. And I think Carrie met him already, but wasn't there, which is a bummer. But
Yeah.
Carrie's gonna meet his granddad.
When
And
I
I'm
see
gonna
him, I probably
meet-
about
I'm gonna meet him for the first time.
2017. How about 2017? The last time I see him, 2017, 2018, somewhere there. So
I never fly out in 2017.
I did. I got Georgia to meet him one at a time.
Oh,
Yeah.
is it?
Yeah, man. I did. But Jay haven't. You did like a couple of years old at the time.
5.
Yeah. There about where you were young, and we never get to bring Jaden with me at the time. But now we get to sort him out. Him can come with us on the trip, you know. So Jaden's first time meeting his granddad. You know, they have a really good relationship. They talk all the time on the phone, video call, and all of that. You know, so.
I wonder if Carrie would recognize him in person, because like when he talks to him on the phone, he's
Papa,
like,
Papa.
yeah, he's like, Papa, right? But is he actually going to recognize him in person? So it's very interesting to see that.
Yeah, so Jaden, how you feeling?
Good.
Tell me how you feel.
Feel good.
You finally getting to meet your granddad, right? What's up this? How we this? What's up this? Yeah. Yeah, man. The wrong way, wrong direction. That's the you're going on the tracks on that side, dude. We're supposed to go up on this side.
You're going on the track.
Alright, the exit is down that side. Jared! Yeah, I'm all man listening to my peeps. Is it? Daddy Delprat, you know? Terry.
Who is that?
Who is it, Terry? Who is it?
Carrie, who's this man? Who's that?
Yeah, might eat too much sweet.
Hey!
Papa! Give me a hug. Papa!
Hug him. Hug him, Kyrie. Give him a hug.
Yeah!
Why, wait till the man. We can't manage him.
Look at Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa. Mama? You want more hug?
Jaden, this is my last Skittle.
That's your grandpa. Yes!
Grandpa in person now? See Grandpa in person?
You never come here, you never seen before?
Yeah, later. Earlier.
Earlier, okay.
Hey.
So Jay, who is this? Who that?
Grandpa.
Yeah. Oh, thanks. Yeah, replacement card, boy. Thanks. Hey, what's up? What's up? Grandpa there.
Grandpa.
I carry go this outlet mall in New Jersey, you know, gotta do a little bit more shopping, you know.
Going 200 miles away?
More like, I don't know far, but like 12, 15 miles.
Oh.
Yeah.
In New Jersey, in New York.
No, it's a different state, the neighboring state.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a little bit of driving.
Well guys, like last night, we come back late. We come back really late, so you know, we come meet him Terati, it was so late, so it wasn't good for the video, you know, so we never capture a lot, you know. But nonetheless, today, bright and sunny. So, yeah man. So right now we are on, what them call it, the Eastern Parkway, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thin bridge, we'll go across and go New Jersey.
Grand Army Plaza, then continue straight to stay on Grand Army Plaza.
Grand Army Plaza.
Continue straight to stay on Grand Army Plaza. Continue for 2 miles.
Alright guys, so now we're in Manhattan. We will go through Manhattan and go across the bridge again to go in a Jersey. You know, so this is like Chinatown area, you see me? Yeah. Jersey City. Yeah, airplane. You're hungry right away?
Yeah, my God. Up there.
The airplanes.
Yeah, airplane pretty, Kyrie. Yes. Airplane pretty.
Let's go.
Kyrie.
Bye-bye.
Kyrie, who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
Bye-bye.
Yes. Papa.
Papa and Grandpa.
Papa. Hey guys, so right now we're there, New Jersey. This is an outlet mall in New Jersey. This mall is something epic. You know, coming to the US over the years, like this is really something different. So many stores. This is like a massive mall. Some place you really have to visit coming to the US. Believe me, a real shopping experience. This for the daughter.
It should be really nice for your daughter.
So we put it down for her now.
Yeah. Don't you see all the little flowers?
Okay.
Let me see underneath it.
See, have some stool over here in a bit. Oh look, we got stools over, and this thing zoom up. Don't know why. We have some household stuff here. Like, what's how much like all this sell for? It's how much? $29. A $30 for this, you know? $30.
Oh yeah, and it's metal.
Yeah.
Boy, we are suffering from a real big stool problem.
Oh, a stool problem.
You remember them expensive stools that everybody buy the other day? You know the $39,000 stool them? They mash up.
They want them mash up. They're not good.
Jesus.
They're not good.
So like we're thinking of going for stuff like this, just straight off metal stools.
The only issue I have is sitting on the back.
Yes.
They don't want to sit down and chill.
I want to have a proportionate size back because you know Adrian tall. I'm not like the tallest person, but I still want comfort. You know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, stuff for your dresser them also.
What's the cost for these?
They're on the back. On the back, no?
On the bottom.
It's on it?
Yeah, on the bottom.
Oh, 29.
Yeah, $30.
Wow. And these are like $12. Look at this. It's all nice.
Listen. Want to buy 2 pair of shoes to Johnny and stuff.
Okay.
You put him like Charlie or you make him.
You might want to push it. Kyrie, you got your fire truck? You got your fire truck, don't you? Don't you? Oh, what's in the bag?
We need glasses, but he wants to carry the bag.
Okay. Mr. Kyrie. Bloomingdale. Hey, coupon store, man. Jesus Christ. Alright, so 1, 2, continue. So, what you want, Cass?
Is the noodles different price from the rice? The noodles and the noodles?
No. Either or.
Either or? Alright, I want the noodles and
we are at the food court getting something to eat. This mall is massive. This place is crazy. This place is absolutely crazy. We're in New Jersey.
nice little car thingy. So it keeps him occupied because it has wheels and it looks as if he's driving, so he's super fond of that. So this should be good, and then we can hang a bang on it, so it's super cute. I'm gonna show y'all.
looks good. I like this.
Can you guess which store we're in right now? Can you? In the comment section, guess which store we're in right now. Adrian had to come, but he saw the sign. Guess which store?
Of course.
In his hand. Guess which store?
Yeah. Okay.
Adrian likes this. What do you guys say? Do you guys like it?
One time I was walking, and some girl they had trouble me.
So what?
And I don't remember what they were troubling me.
We are at school?
Yes.
So
what happened? They were troubling you and what?
This is nice we wear with shorts. This really, I think now grab up here this.
What that is? And this is my sister.
I'm here by myself with Vivian over there. So. Hey! we're at the guest store. Adrian went with his dad for a quick second. He went to get the car keys because we're going to go back to the car and put these bags in the car. So Kyrie, they carry a sleeve. Hey, look at Kyrie. This is, listen, we would have to be carrying this little boy by ourselves on our shoulders, okay? So thank God for this idea to put him in this car. He's sleeping on his bag, and these are all the bags that need to go in the car. And because them look enough, them just look enough, yeah? The bag them just look enough. Trying to get a good angle. The bag them just look enough, alright? It's basically, we came shopping for these kids. Don't no money, and no more money to spend on ourselves. It's a sad day for parenting because we always do this, yo. We always shop ourselves out. We always get the kids everything and then we leave ourselves out. But as a parent, I rather do that than buy for myself and then they end up. So it is. So I'm waiting for Adrian to come now so we can go back to the car. So let's see what they're up to. Oh, Jaden is with his granddad. So let's see what damage they did when they come back. Oh my God, look at Babe coming. He's coming. He's coming. Look at Babe coming. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Babe is here. So this is our cargo personnel. We don't have the car.
Jay runs out with his grandfather. The Kyrie there.
Yeah,
I'm going to just unload these and then.
Fully asleep.
So I'm going to just unload these and go back. Soon come. Right?
I was just saying to them that Kyrie sleeps like a drunken man.
Yes.
You know, like a drunk and pass out? That's how Kyrie sleeps. Alright? Head bopping. And all these things like a drunken person. But thank God he's sleeping. Thank God we have this kind of boy heavy media cam for the first off. And it makes your back hurt. Oh my gosh.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi again.
Hi, Daddy. Hey, Daddy.
Yes. Daddy's coming. Oh, Jesus, people.
Hello. No, we're going this way. Let's go this way. Come on, let's go.
Carrie is still bubbling with energy, while all of us energy just dead and we put the earth and all them things there. Adrian, come.
Oh, go on. Cheers. I don't know what to say. A nearby Golden Cross in New York, yeah? Yeah, I say. See if we can find some Easter bun. You see me? Yeah, they do have. See there? Look like Golden Cross are their own. Them they really import them, bake them own Easter bun. See there? So all over their far you can get them Easter bun, then can get them beef patty. You know what I mean? Yeah. Golden Cross. I think we know them have Golden Cross all over New York, Jamaica Avenue in Queens. This one here, a Flatbush in New York, in Brooklyn, I should say. Yeah, them have it all about. Yes. Come on. Okay. Mr. Bun.
Thank you.
Yeah, so Jamaicans in New York now if you miss out so much. Yeah, so I'll say Grace Tropical Rhythm over here, so. Grace Tropical Rhythm there, see there? How much is this? I have some Jamaican ginger beer. Not even at Jamaica we can't get this no more. We can't get this at Jamaica no more. We can't get this no more. See I have cream soda here no cast. And ginger beer now. We can't get them here. We can't get nothing in the back here. We can't get them at Jamaica no more. Yes, golden cross, flatbush. Little Jamaican dishes and thing, you know? Yes.
No screaming, please. No screaming.
Oh, so you have 20, 22, 27. The food?
20, fruitless.
Okay.
22.
Yes.
Get the one with the fruit. Get the one with the fruit.
16 bucks of that. That's what the other.
How much is this? How much is this? 37 bucks. Okay.
37 for that one.
Yeah, we haven't noticed all the Excelsior tough crackers.
Come on, this one.
I have all the Shirley whiskey there, so. See me? And the golden cross are for them burn and bread and bun and the works, you know? Yeah. Jamaican style bread, that's so. See me?
You want to go safe?